I want to check in. I want to check in. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. How many bags can I carry? How many bags can I carry? This is my luggage. This is my luggage. Is my luggage overweight? Is my luggage overweight? Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? Can I have an aisle seat? Can I have an aisle seat? What is my gate number? What is my gate number? When does boarding start? When does boarding start? I have a connecting flight. I have a connecting flight. I am flying to London. I am flying to London. I am flying to New York. I am flying to New York. Please print my boarding pass. Please print my boarding pass. Where is the Scotty check? Where is the Scotty check? Please remove your shoes. Please remove your shoes. Please take out your laptop. Please take out your laptop. Do I need to remove my belt? Do I need to remove my belt? Please open your bag. Please open your bag. Have your boarding pass ready? Have your boarding pass ready? Show your passport. Show your passport. Stand in line here. Stand in line here. No liquids above 100 ml. No liquids above 100 ml. Are these your belongings? Are these your belongings? Please step aside. Please step aside. Is this a restricted item? Is this a restricted item? I am a tourist. I am a tourist. I am here for business. I am here for business. How long can I stay? How long can I stay? Where is gate 5? Where is gate 5? Boarding start at 2 p.m. Boarding starts at 2 p.m. Please have your boarding pass ready. Please have your boarding pass ready. Your flight is delayed. Your flight is delayed. Your flight is on time. Your flight is on time. Flight number 302 to Dubai. Flight number 302 to Dubai. Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Please wait in the lobby. Please wait in the lobby. Passengers for flight 102, please board. Passengers for flight 102, please board. Can I sit near the window? Can I sit near the window? Can I sit near the aisle? Can I sit near the aisle? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? Do I need a visa? Do I need a visa? Is my seat comfortable? Is my seat comfortable? Where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my phone? Where is my seat? Where is my seat? I need help with my luggage. I need help with my luggage. Please fasten your seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. The tray table is down. The tray table is down. Can I have a water? Can I have water? Can I have juice? Can I have juice? Can I have tea or coffee? Can I have tea or coffee? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Please turn off your mobile. Please turn off your mobile. Can I use my laptop? Can I use my laptop? The flight is smooth. The flight is smooth. Flight is bumpy. The flight is bumpy. I feel sick. I feel sick. Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a pillow? Can I get a pillow? Where is baggage claim? Where is baggage claim? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Where is the shuttle bus? Where is the shuttle bus? Where is the information desk? Where is the information desk? I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have something to declare. I have something to declare. How do I get to the city? How do I get to the city? How long is the queue? How long is the queue? Can I use my credit card? Can I use my credit card? Where is the currency exchange? Where is the currency exchange? What is the exchange rate? What is the exchange rate? I need local currency. I need local currency. Is tripping required? Is tipping required? Help, my sauce is too thick. Help, my sauce is too thick. Call the police. Call the police. Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. I am lost. I am lost. I lost my bag. I lost my bag. I lost my passport. I lost my passport. Can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? Where is the first aid? Where is the first aid? Is there a doctor here? Is there a doctor here? Follow the signs to the exit. Follow the signs to the exit. Follow the signs to the boarding gate. Follow the signs to the boarding gate. I feel unwell. I feel unwell. Where is the airport lungi? Where is the airport lungi? Can I buy a SIM card here? Can I buy a SIM card here? Can I rent a car here? Can I rent a car here? Do you have a luggage locker? Do you have a luggage locker? Can I charge my phone here? Can I charge my phone here? Can I print my boarding pass? Can I print my boarding pass? Where is the post office? Where is the post office? Is there a hotel nearby? Is there a hotel nearby? Follow the signs to baggage claim. Follow the signs to baggage claim. This way to customs. This ways to customs. This way to immigration. This way to immigration. This way to the taxi stand. This way to the taxi stand.